Hello everyone, our today's topic is Kirchhoff's law of heat radiation. Before studying Kirchhoff's law, we will revise our previous some definitions, and that are emissive power, coefficient of emission and absorptive power, because this definition we will require in Kirchhoff's law proof. Okay, first of all we will see emissive power. What is emissive power, or it is also called as radiant power? It is represented by letter R. Now its definition is radiant power or emissive power is defined as quantity of heat radiated per unit area per unit time. That is, emissive power capital R is equal to capital Q divided by AT, where Q is radiant power, capital A is area, and small t is time. Therefore, unit for emissive power or radiant power is joule per meter square per second or Weber per meter square. This definition we have already studied in our previous lecture. Okay, now second one definition is coefficient of emission or emissivity. It is defined as it is ratio of emissive power capital R of surface to the emissive power RB of perfect black body surface at the same temperature. That is, coefficient of emission is represented by letter small e is equal to R upon RB, where R is emissive power of ordinary surface and RB is emissive power of perfectly black body surface. And we also know that for perfect black body E is equal to 1, and for perfect reflector small e is equal to 0. Now our third one definition is absorptive power. Absorptive power is defined as amount of radiant energy absorbed per unit area per unit time by a surface at that temperature. Therefore, absorptive power is equal to QA upon capital A into T, where QA is amount of radiant energy absorbed by the surface and capital A is area and small t is time. Now, times to study Kirchhoff's law. We will see its statement. Its statement is, for a body emitting and absorbing thermal radiation in thermal equilibrium, emissivity is equal to absorptivity. म्हणजेच एखाद्या बॉडीसाठी जी एमिट पण करते आहे आणि ॲब्सॉर्ब पण करते आहे काय, तर थर्मल रेडिएशन्स, तिच्यावर इन्सिडेंट होणारे थर्मल एनर्जी जी बॉडी इमिट पण करते आहे आणि ॲब्सॉर्ब पण करते आहे इन थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम, म्हणजे ज्या सिस्टीमचं टेम्परेचर चेंज होत नाही, अशा वेळेला त्या बॉडीची इमिसिव्हिटी ही इक्वल टू ॲब्सॉर्प्टिव्हिटी असं असतं. दॅट इज स्मॉल ए इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल ई. Absorptivity is small a and emissivity is small e. If a body has, there are also two conditions. If a body has high emissive power, then we can say that it also has high absorptive power. And second one, if a body has low emissive power, then it also has low absorptive power. This is conclusion of किर्चॉफ्स लॉ. म्हणजे एखाद्या बॉडीची इमिसिव्ह पॉवर ही हाय असली तर तिची ॲब्सॉर्प्टिव्ह पॉवर पण हाय असते, आणि जर एखाद्या बॉडीची इमिसिव्ह पॉवर ही लो असली तर त्या बॉडीची ॲब्सॉर्प्टिव्ह पॉवर पण लोच असते. हे कन्क्ल्युजन आहे किर्चॉफ्स लॉचं. आता आपण वळूया त्याच्या थिअरॉटिकल प्रूफकडे. किर्चॉफ्स लॉ प्रूव्ह करण्यासाठी आपण एक छोटंसं प्रूफ पाहूया. त्याच्यासाठी आपण एक एक्सपेरिमेंट कन्सिडर करतो आहे. कन्सिडर ॲन ऑर्डिनरी बॉडी कॅपिटल ए अँड अ परफेक्ट ब्लॅक बॉडी कॅपिटल बी ऑफ आयडेंटिकल जॉमेट्रिकल शेप प्लेस्ड इन ॲन एन्क्लोजर इन थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम. म्हणजेच ह्या एक्सपेरिमेंटसाठी आपण 2 बॉडीज कन्सिडर केल्या आहे. कॅपिटल ए जी ऑर्डिनरी बॉडी आहे आणि कॅपिटल बी ही जी परफेक्टली ब्लॅक बॉडी आहे. अशा बॉडीज आहेत की त्यांचे जॉमेट्रिकल शेप्स हे आयडेंटिकल आहे आणि एका एन्क्लोजरमध्ये त्यांना आपण ठेवलेलं आहे आणि ते एन्क्लोजर ॲट थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियममध्ये आहेत. म्हणजे थर्मल इक्विलिब्रियम म्हणजे त्या सिस्टीमचं टेम्परेचर हे चेंज होत नाही आहे. म्हणजेच दोघं बॉडीचं टेम्परेचर जे काही असेल ते सेम राहणार आहे. लेट कॅपिटल आर बी द emissive power of body A, capital RB be the emissive power of body B, and small a be the coefficient of absorption of body A. Let Q be the quantity of radiant heat incident on each body in unit time. QA is the quantity of radiant heat absorbed by the body capital A. Then we can say that coefficient of absorption small a is equal to radiant heat absorbed by body QA upon radiant heat incident on the body Q. म्हणजेच small a is equal to QA upon Q. त्या इक्वेशनपासून आपण जर ॲडजस्ट केलं तर आपल्याला QA is equal to AQ असं इक्वेशन मिळतं. Where QA is amount of heat absorbed, small a is coefficient of absorption and Q is radiant heat incident on any body. As the temperature of the body capital A and black body B remain same, both must emit the same amount as they absorb in unit time. Since emissive power is the quantity of heat radiated from unit area in unit time, we can write quantity of radiant heat absorbed by body capital A is equal to quantity of heat emitted by body A. म्हणजेच एका बॉडीने हीट ॲब्सॉर्ब केली, बॉडी ए ने जेवढे रेडियंट हीट ॲब्सॉर्ब केली तिची क्वांटिटी आणि त्या बॉडी ए ने हीट एमिट केली ती क्वांटिटी ही सेमच असेल. पण आपण वरती पाहिलं की रेडियंट हीट ॲब्सॉर्ब बाय बॉडी ए इज स्मॉल ए इज इक्वल टू क्यू ए अपॉन क्यू. म्हणजेच क्यू ए इज इक्वल टू ए क्यू. म्हणून आपण म्हणू शकतो इथे सबस्टिट्यूट करू शकतो की हीट ॲब्सॉर्ब बाय बॉडी ए इज इक्वल टू स्मॉल ए इंटू क्यू अँड धिस हीट एमिटेड बाय body A is capital R. Therefore we get the equation small a into Q is equal to capital R. This becomes equation number 1. Now for perfect black body B, small q is equal to RB. म्हणजे heat absorbed by black body small q is equal to RB, means RB is nothing but emissive power of B, body B. Therefore we will get this second equation. Now dividing equation number 1 by equation number 2, we get small a into q divided by capital Q is equal to R divided by RB. Here QQ get cancelled, therefore remain A on left hand side and on RHS R upon RB. Or we can adjust this equation like this, capital R upon A is equal to RB. This is our third equation. But R upon RB is equal to E, that is emissivity. We have seen this definition in the starting of this video. Therefore above equation becomes small a is equal to small e, and this is the proof of Kirchhoff's law, that is for a body emissivity is equal to absorptivity at thermal equilibrium, and we have proved it by this proof and small experiment.